I'm a proud expat of Sultanate of Oman, a country which has been ruled by His Majesty Sultan Qaboos for over 50 years. It's been 9 years I am living in this country and I never feel I am expat here because the peoples are so loving and caring. And the leader, His Majesty Sultan Qaboos, I don't have word to describe his goodness. How good he was and how best among the leader of Arabs he was. He make everything for us. For as expat, I get all those things which nationals are getting here. I have never gone through any discrimination or any racism. All Omanis are so loving. They are the best of the best, I can say, in the world. So no one can beat the leadership of His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Saeed Al Muazzam. He is not with us physically, but he will be alive in our hearts forever and ever and ever for all his services. Thank you so much, His Majesty Sultan Qaboos. May Allah give you highest ranks in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. Summa Ameen.